Cooler Master's shark-shaped PC. Dive into style for $7,000. Cooler Master has taken PC design to the deep end with its new Shark X, a desktop PC encased in a shark-shaped shell. Inspired by the ocean's mightiest predators, this unique machine looks like a futuristic fish rising from the waves. The Shark X is a commercial spin on the Leviathan, a custom PC build that won accolades in Cooler Master's 2019 Case Mod contest. Crafted by a Thai creator using 3D printing, the Leviathan showcased a shark-themed case with integrated RGB lighting. Cooler Master has now brought this aquatic vision to market. Standing at about 3 feet tall, 1 meter, the Shark X blends artistic design with cutting-edge manufacturing, melding organic shapes with tech precision. Despite its eye-catching exterior, the Shark X features mid-tier specs inside a mini-ITX case format. It's powered by an Intel Core i7-14700F, an Nvidia RTX 4070Ti Super graphics card, 64GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 2TB NVMe SSD. A 120mm all-in-one cooler handles CPU cooling. While its design is striking, the Shark X can be upgraded, but it comes with a hefty price tag of $6,999. Pre-orders are now open, with shipments expected later this year. Cooler Master's bold designs aren't new. Last year, they introduced a shoe-shaped PC for $3,239. If you're looking to make a splash with your PC setup, the Shark X is ready to make waves.